Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I thought I was recording the first part. So I'm taking part in the collaboration called Easter Around the World. Guys, you guys can see I have a big cardboard here. So I want to draw a bunny and I want to give it some texture. I'm going to draw a bunny sitting down. So, yeah, and then we're going to give it texture like he has hair. So for that, you're going to use the soft what is this called, all-purpose caulk. So we're going to do this. You're going to need some paint. I started drawing my sketch already because I thought I was recording the first part. So this is just, I don't know if you guys can see the lines here and here. So I want to do this sketch of the bunny, and this is the collaboration called Easter Around the World. There's a lot of people participating, guys. I will link the playlist in my description box below. I mean, we have C9 Design, Pretty DIYs, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Connie's Paints Creations, CJ's DIY. We have a lot of them, guys. So I'm going to be putting everybody's channel link in my description box. So we're going to start by drawing the sketch of the bunny that you want. So we're going to do that. And then we're going to cut him out. So I want it to be a big one, guys. I want it to be a little big. So honestly, I haven't done one of these in years, so hopefully it comes out all right. So we're going to do that. I mean, everybody's doing more than one creation, but since I'm doing this one, it's going to be a pretty big size one. So I'm only doing one. So hopefully it comes out the way I want it. So, okay. All right, guys. So I'm going to finish my bunny and then I'm going to bring you guys some progress. Well, guys, I think it's taking shape. You guys can see I have traced over and over. And guys, I'm working without an eraser. So I'm just doing the sketch. Then I figured out how I want him to look. Then I'm working on the, let me bring you guys down like this. I'm working on the head now, and I want to do the ears. And also I'm gonna see if I do like something separate with whatever piece of cardboard I have left. I want to make a carrot and put it on him like he's holding it. I'm gonna try to do that part. I am not sure, but yeah, guys, and this comes from my kids used to have a bunny, a wall hanger, that it was like this. So I want to do that. Yeah. So guys, let's continue. Well, guys, I am using a box cutter to cut the bunny shape. The face turned out looking like a cat, but eventually when I'm done with it, hopefully it will look like a bunny. Yeah, guys, so I'm cutting it now. Then I'm going to be mixing my caulking. Yeah, caulk, whatever this thing is called. I use this because this is really soft and manageable. And it will give it a structure to make it hard so it won't bend like the cardboard bend. See, like the leg here bend. But I will, once this is on it, once it dry, it'll be nice and strong. And hopefully it turned out nice the way I wanted to. Even though I'm still going to show you guys the end results, because that's part of DIY, guys. My channel consists of home decor, cooking, cleaning, and occasionally I do a DIY. So I was added to this chat, so see if I wanted to do something, and I said I'd give it a try. I'm not a DIYer. I'm telling you guys, you have so many people in this collaboration that they do some beautiful things. So I figure I want to do this, so I'm going to finish cutting it, and then I'm going to show you how I'm going to be adding the caulking. All right, guys, so let me finish cutting it, and I'll come back and show you some more progress through the video. Guys, the worst part already passed, which was cutting him out. Cutting him out. Ouch. So, and of course, I drew the face. I drew a face, but the face looks like a cat. But it's not going to stay like that, of course, because it's going to be all in white, and then I will do the fixtures. All right, guys, I'm going to show you what I'm doing. I finally found it. It was in one of the boxes. I'm trying to do this one in a bigger scale. This was, I bought this for my children when my children were little. I have this for over, wow, 12, 15 years. So this is what I'm doing, guys. I don't know how I'm going to do the hand. So I don't know how I'm going to do the hand. So, but yeah. So what do you guys think? Is it starting to take shape? See the little legs in the bottom? So there's the legs. So what do you guys think? It's starting to take shape? So I'm going to do a carrot. I'm going to put it here. I don't know. Drawing the hands, I don't know if I'm going to draw the hands, because once I do the caulk, it's not going to show. But I do want to do the buttons. And everything I'm going to do it with cardboard. I'm going to do the button, do it with the same color, and stick it on him. The bow is also, see, lift it. I'm going to see if I do the bow the same. It's not even, as you guys can see. So I'm going to try to do that. Then cut him out and place it in him. The face, of course, the mouth. You see the mouth? It looks like a bunny here, and mine looks like a cat because I did this to separate. But the face is going to be a white, then I'm going to be doing the fissures. All right. So I'm going to draw the carrot, cut the carrot, and first I'm going to do him all white, and then I'm going to show you what that's going to look like. All right, guys. I didn't have enough of the white thing to do it, but I did a majority I can. So, which I got it pretty much covered. Also, the bow tie that you guys see on the original one right here. Ooh. This one, the original one. I am not going to do it because I'm actually going to use this little ribbon, which it has polka dot as well. So I'm going to do my own bow. I cut out the buttons, okay, and the carrot. So the carrot's gonna go here. I think I'm going to draw the arms. I'm not gonna cut them out of cardboard. I'm going to put the carrot here. So you guys can see the carrot's pretty big. I mean, in this one, of course, the carrot is extremely large, and it goes hanging on the bottom of the feet, but I'm not going to do that because I am not hanging anything. So I'm just going to put the carrot here, and I'm going to stick the two buttons. I'm going to draw some arms, and then I'm going to work on his face. I'm going to draw his face, and then I'm going to give it some light painting to simulate the one there. The carrot, of course, I'm going to paint it orange. Hopefully I have enough orange paint for the carrot. Or I use something in orange, I don't know. And guys, this is basically a trash to treasure because that big piece of cardboard came from something that my husband ordered. So yeah guys, so I'm going to do that. So basically all I'm spending here, the ribbon I already had, the paint I already have from the Dollar Tree. So really this is a trash to treasure DIY that I am going to do. So this is why I'm only doing one, because I'm doing a large one. So yeah guys, so this is why I'm only doing one. I'm doing a large one. A lot of the ladies are doing more than one. So by all means, it's going to be fun. Let's continue. I'm going to glue the button. I gotta get my hot glue gun. So I think now I will be moving to another part of the house. So all right guys, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to place the carrot, the buttons. You're going to need for the next phase, you're going to need your hot glue gun, of course glue stick, and some paint because you want to paint the face and do a little bit of light brushing on the ears. And of course I'm going, like I say, I was going to draw some arms looking down, but I don't know if, I'm not sure, but I want to give it a little bit of definition here, and I want to finish the face. So let me glue this steel way guys, so you guys can see the steel way. So I'm going to, let me start with the buttons. So I'm going to place the carrot here. So in the buttons, one here and one here. All right, so I'm gonna start with the button. And make sure that wherever you're working, you protect your surface. Especially I'm working on my table. Guys, you know, I don't live in the house anymore. I live in an apartment now, and it's a pretty small place. So you gotta make it work, guys. You gotta make it work. Oh, this is still wet. Anyways, I just retouch it a little bit. I'm telling you guys, it is so uncomfortable. Anyways, let me glue the carrot. Actually, let me let it get dried a little more because it's still too wet and I don't want to mess up the paint. Well, guys, this is what I have done so far. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? I still got to do the face and the arms. So I did a simple bow with some burlap ribbon that I have instead of just using a cardboard bowl. So I think I like this better. Now let's finish the ears, and I'm going to do the dots on the buttons. And I don't know if I may do like a plant going over like the one that you see there. I'm not sure, or maybe I actually use something that I actually bought. So, which I think I am. I think that's going to be better. So anyways, let me finish the face and show you. I'm also want to do something on the legs. I may do like the little, some little, you know, like the paw pads a little bit, and definitions like toes. Yeah, I think I want to do that. So, and it's not gonna look like it's brand new. Of course, it look like it's old. I'm not gonna finish the edge. May go a little bit and do like a light brushing in some type of color, but other than that, I think this is gonna be nice. So hopefully either donate it to Park and Recs. So when they do the Easter hunt, they'll put it hanging on the fence, or I go by a local school and give it for a kindergarten class. You know what I mean? So, or maybe I keep it. I don't know. Let's see. So, because I think they're going to do a Easter hunt eggs here where I live in the building that I live. So, I will put it at the front door of the apartment building or one of the um, houses or the office. So yeah, guys. So let me finish and show you what it's gonna look like at the end. All right, guys. I'm going to use some Armor's glue to do the greenery that you see here on the side. Let me lift them up a little bit, or lift her up a little bit. This is what it's looking like. I hope you guys like what I did. Look at her face. I think it turned out cute though. I like it. I like it a lot. So it's a pretty big one, guys. It's a pretty big one. So I know it's going to look nice wherever they decide to place it. And this is the one that I have from my kids from like 15 years ago. Guys, I don't even remember where I got this from. I don't know if it was the Christmas tree shop. I don't know. It was very long time ago. So I decided to do a bigger size. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys like. So now I'm going to do the this green plant that you guys see here in the Dollar Tree. I went to the Dollar Tree and I found a garland which it has this little greenery thing. So I decided to use glue. I'm not going to use the hot glue because that's going to be too much. So this one is going to be fine. So I'm going to use the glue. Let me show you what it looks like, and let me put it outside in front of my door so you guys can actually see it displayed. All right, guys, I finished adding the little greenery. I think it looks so close. So look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that one, guys, right there. And then look at my giant size one in the background. Guys, let's go outside. All right, guys, look at what it looks like. Sorry about the echo. Isn't it cute? It's a pretty big one, guys, because if you guys are to see it on a door, see how big that is? It takes the whole door. So guys, I'm going to leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys.